Igala Youth Leaders Assembly (IYLA) invites all members, stakeholders and the general public to our 5th National Youth Conference with the theme Building a New Igala Nation Through Synergy, a Call for Action. Chairman of the conference, Architect Alhaji Ali Ukele, distinguished special guests of honor, His Excellency Alhaji Yaya Adoza Bello, Executive Governor of Kogi State. Special guests of honor, Alhaji Muritala Yakubu Ajaka, SDP Governorship Candidate, Admiral Jibri Usman, retired, Accord Governorship Candidate, Dr. Sam Omale, Candidate of YPP, Kingsley Ilona, Candidate of ABGA. Keynote address to be delivered by Architect Chief G.Y. Aduku OON and Chief David Abutu, National Leader, Ukomu Igala Organization. Guest speakers, Dr. Simeon Omakuji Onyibu, Colonel Suleiman Babanawa, retired, Dr. Oguru Wisdom Ibo, and Chief Barrister Festus Okuje. Date 15th July 2023. Venue, Dr. Stephen Achema's house, Ida, Kogi State. Time 11 a.m. prompt. Host, Honorable Abu Odoma, Chairman, Ida Local Government Area. Right Honorable Dr. Oja Chile Akro Felix, Speaker, IYLA. Chief Host and Announcer.